Hey, welcome back to DevLand Diaries. I'm Michael Kessler, and today we're talking about something that feels like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, computer vision. But don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. And by the end of this episode, you'll understand how computers can see just like we do. Well, kind of. What is computer vision? All right, let's break it down. Computer vision is like giving a computer a pair of superpowered eyes, but instead of just seeing stuff, it has to understand what it's looking at. Imagine you're staring at a picture of a dog and a cat. Your brain instantly recognizes that one is a dog and the other is a cat, right? Well, computer vision is the computer's way of doing that, figuring out what's in a picture or video just like us. But here's the twist. Unlike humans, computers don't have a brain to recognize things. They have to be trained with tons of pictures and data to start recognizing patterns and figuring out what's what. It's like teaching a toddler how to recognize animals. You show them a lot of pictures and say, this is a cat. So how do computers actually see? Well, here's where it gets cool. 1, breaking down the picture. When a computer looks at an image, it doesn't see it like we do. Instead of seeing a cat or a dog, it sees a bunch of tiny little dots called pixels. It looks at the color and brightness of each pixel and starts figuring out shapes, edges, and textures. It's like breaking down a puzzle one piece at a time. 2, training the computer. Now, remember how we teach a toddler about cats and dogs? The computer does something similar, but way faster. It gets fed tons of images, cats, dogs, cars, trees, everything you can think of. The more images the computer gets, the better it gets at recognizing patterns. It's like the computer is studying for a big exam in object recognition. 3, making predictions. Once the computer has seen enough examples, it can make predictions. For example, if you show it a new picture, it will look at all the things it has learned and say, I think this is a cat. And most of the time it's right. Real world uses. Now let's talk about where computer vision is actually being used in the real world, because this is where things get even more exciting. Self-driving cars, the car's computer vision system helps it see the road, understand traffic signs, recognize pedestrians, and avoid obstacles. It's like the car's eyes and brain combined, helping it drive itself safely. Facial recognition. Every time you unlock your phone with your face or log into a security system, computer vision is at work. It scans your face, looks for unique features, and makes sure it's really you. Medical imaging. Doctors are using computer vision to help look at x-rays, MRIs, and other medical scans. It helps them spot things that might be hard for the human eye to see, like tiny fractures or tumors. Retail. Ever notice how some stores can scan everything in your cart automatically? That's computer vision working in the background to scan and recognize all the products. Challenges. Of course, computer vision isn't perfect. Sometimes it gets confused, especially when there's a lot going on in an image. Maybe your dog is wearing a hat and the computer might think it's a person. It's still learning, and while it's getting better, it's not foolproof yet. But don't worry, we have engineers and scientists are hard at work improving it every day. So there you have it. Computer vision is the magic behind machines being able to see and understand the world around them. Whether it's driving a car, unlocking your phone, or helping doctors, computer vision is opening up a whole new world of possibilities. Thanks for tuning in to another fun episode of DevLand Diaries. I hope you've had a blast learning about how computers see and understand the world. I'm Michael Kessler, and I'll see you next time. Stay curious and keep your eyes open. Who knows? Maybe your phone will start recognizing your smile even better next time.